kanasu udre aduine mi miyam hainer se Cristiano Ronaldo bu great of all time haina go god haina moina khangnari se. Back with another video guys. Ngasi di mina great of all time god haina khangnaba aina angang oiringai dagi sum yamna pamjarakpa Cristiano Ronaldo Portugal moye haibade nahansu moi match ahum sanare moina ngamme round of 32 change fajana sanai Ronaldo gi sanaba haise hoi hanna de mana sanaba angang oiringai dagi sanara pase adudagi pangal adugi chenba thuba adumakti yaudra du yamna tapkre aina mau yamna musiwa hi kaira hai mase musimi chawa hai thamoy am chawa ko minungsi am haiba aduga charity gi damak da su mase sum paisa da oi so lantum kya se mana pibi neba ko.
When we talk about Cristiano Ronaldo, we often think of his dazzling goals and trophies, but there's so much more to CR7 than football. In 2014, Ronaldo quietly donated $83,000 to fund a 10-month-old baby's life-saving brain surgery, and it didn't stop there. Ronaldo has consistently used his wealth to help others, whether it's donating millions to hospitals, paying for treatments for sick children, or even funding schools in impoverished areas. He's also known for never charging a dime for his appearances in charity events. Cristiano Ronaldo may be a global football superstar, but his most important legacy might just be his generosity off the field.
Players ama oina mabudi idea yamna thaganinge yamna nungsi magumba players se thoga roidra haina khanle haibede magi background magi story yangrakpa matamda yamna nungsi.
When I was very young, with probably 7, 8, 9 years old, I started to play in home, in the street, with my colleagues, with my friends. I moved with 11 years old from Madeira to Lisbon, which is, it's hard, to be honest. It's probably was the most difficult part in terms of professional of my career. So it was hard to left my family in Madeira to follow my dream in Lisbon without your family, with 11 years old.
Aduga magi hard working se yamna pamjai aduga magi sanaba mong se yamna thagani adu moina yam fazana match ahum sanara moi hojik se round of 32 changra ne round of 32 changre adu bo hojik se moi match amuka Portugal amasung Croatia moi ni se amuka sanaki ni aduna Friday date 3 July da sanagani adu 4:30 AM da sanagani so ida bi yengani tummaga alarm hapaga tumgra doine aduga matam tare bam tamda hek haugallaga yengra doine magi Portugal Cristiano Ronaldo gi haina match lakre di harau bise chakcha pham su khangdamne yamna ngai mana sanaba ubada yamna nungai magi sanaba yengse yamna nungai ado ngamba oigini mana haigibne trophy World Cup trophy se thangaga ma lohongani haibne mase lohongdre adu angang di leire ado mase adu yam wakan chauna sumain hairibne adu ngamba oisino magi matam sida amrakti World Cup ti trophy thanghaninge haibde mase hojik je hanugre 41 years old oirabani mathang World Cup ti sanaba ngamroi ado ide yengwane nungsidra mana sana na charity miyam bu mana thamoi chauna katpiriba mana bibiriba selam tum yam du nungsidra habi singumba players ya koi miyama oina thogat pham support taw pham thoe support taw do ne je noi miyam so haininge habi yengwane miyam players yam haye moi millionaire billionaire oya dubu charity dama haina katpa musung yamna thamoi chaw bai je kanasu udre aduine miyam hainer se Cristiano Ronaldo bu great of all time haina go god haina moina khangnari se adugine adu moje Croatia ga Portugal sanag da opse goal kya hapkadra noi khangbra aina predict sum tawge Croatia 0 oigini Portugal 3 oigini sida Cristiano Ronaldo ani changani yangko se Cristiano Ronaldo amuka ani changani nandu hat-trick phangge kachikta matam 5 minutes leiramadi or 3 minutes leiramadi ma hat-trick phangrani soidabning nahangido adubu ngisi amuka try tawba yai ma se ani changani Bruno Fernandes nara ama changani the moi teamwork se yam darka oye aduna Portugal 3 Croatia 0 haine yangko si laiba Friday date 3 July 4:30 AM da miam yang minase miam yang taminase adu yengo moi opponent amuka lai ko opponent je kana oibra haide round of 16 jangne ane ko moi sana da ise Spain amasung Austria ko ju yamna phaje moina sana ko da World Cup qualify ki damal do am ti tagre aduga Argentina bo amrate Austria ga Spain sana da opse matam na Friday July date 3 adu se gi ngamga da ose adi yam doubtful oibne maram di Austria su yam na phaje Spain su phaje anima adubu moini je ka Spain na ka di 1 da ka da manle point moina gola ma thoira ga Austria ko da o natraga Spain na ani chanle di Austria na ma changa da manle aduga laiba 7 July 12:30 AM da muka Portugal ga tani ko se Spain ga Portugal soidre ta do se moini se adubu Spain ga Portugal sana ga da ba matam da Portugal na soide bi thoi ga doi ne ko si so yango miam medium tamin na si aina haib se pat soide ne ko se yango noi na video sending sing noi si matam lak pa ganda do pat soide ne si so Spain ga Portugal taba matam sida Portugal na 2 Spain na 0 oigini ko yengo ko si so noi thaja da ba tawno si aseng ba ma ga in haibim ne se sida Cristiano Ronaldo na ama changni ma kumsi de ma pajana hard working pajana tawramne ma pura body se thank you everyone guys.